Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How's everybody doing here today? Good, good, good. That's great. I'm glad that you guys all are doing fantastic. Good morning, good luck. Good morning and good luck. Yes. So, personally, excuse me, I do not plan to trade OTlk myself. No, no, no. Bioc, maybe I trade it, maybe I don't. We'll see. We'll touch on those actually first. Sure, why? Because I know a lot of people are interested in them. So OTlk has been interesting, but nonetheless, it's pretty much just it's definitely at a top. I mean, after you see this big down drop here, pre-market, the likelihood it keeps pressing is pretty slim. Um, if there was anything I'd probably trade on it, it would more or less be a reversal. That's the only thing I could see myself trading is some type of reversal. So if this were to drop out really strong, maybe down to 260 into all these low points from yesterday that held, and maybe I could trade like a reversal. But other than that, I probably wouldn't trade it long. Excuse me. So yeah, I'm just not. See, what we have been seeing is really just a bunch of short squeezes. Excuse me, let me zoom out a little bit. So, once it picked up at 93 cents, went on a run, went on a next run, really this move here pre-market was a short squeeze. This move after hours was a short squeeze. Really, the past like 2 days were more or less short squeezes that kept pressing the price higher. Because even yesterday, it filled its gap, so a lot of people started shorting the move here, and then a lot of people came in late day and tried to press that move down again, and really just shorts are getting squeezed up on it. So today looks like the day that shorts are going to win over this battle, and I think we're going to see OTlk end up dropping out. Sound issues. Hmm. Let me see. Give me a second. Hmm. Is it bad still? Wow, that's weird. Hmm. Yeah, I think I know what's going on. So, excuse me. We're really not going to be. We'll try and speed through this. There's no way we're going to be able to fix it. If not, I'll just have to get off. So I guess we'll roll with it. Right now, it looks like the internet's just for some reason a little slow. The upload speed, download's fine. It's the upload speed that's not doing so hot this morning. I'm rechecking right now. The upload speed is doing a little better now. Okay. All right, good stuff. Anyways, so OTlk. To me, I think the shorts are gonna just shorts and just selling in general is gonna take over on today, and we're going to start seeing this start to drop out a bit today. So again, I'd probably keep an eye on that 260 level. If you're trying to play a bounce, I think you could probably play one off 260. So I might watch a 260 level for some type of reversal today on OTlk. Bioc up pretty big from 78 cents up to 235. Yesterday was a pretty good move on it to the upside. I didn't trade it yesterday. It is currently in a daily chart setup where we could see it squeeze up a little bit more. It never quite filled its gap, though. So what did it get up to? Yeah, I mean, BIOC is up at resistance right here at 237. It did successfully fill the gap up to 202. So I'd probably be a little bit more on the sell side this morning. I'd be more of a seller, probably getting towards some topping action up there at that 235. We're already seeing that this morning pre-market, it's not doing the best, right? So I think you might see some type of long plays, but I don't think we're going to get anything like yesterday where it kind of just chugged along. It just doesn't give me that feel right now. And the fact that most of the time when it does spike, it does come right back down the next day. So I'd probably be more on the sell side on BIOC. You could still watch it. It is a low float stock. It did have a good day yesterday, but I don't anticipate we're going to see as good a day today going into BIOC. Okay. I don't know who Morgan is, so probably no. Probably gonna go with the no. So yeah, anyway, sorry about the sound. I don't know what the issue is. Haven't changed anything. Nothing's really different. Might just be the internet. Weird. All right, so we'll touch on Tesla here a bit. Tesla started to bounce yesterday at 195. I was long on the bounce yesterday. It's starting to kind of hold up here at 197 pre-market. If you go back 3 years, we are starting to enter into the demand zone, so it does make sense that we're starting to see some buyers come in. I mean, this has been a drop from 377 all the way down to 195. So, in fact, we might be getting ready for a little bit of a bounce on Tesla, and if we do, I mean, it's got a lot of opportunity to have a really strong bounce, okay? Right? Now, if you look, right, again, it bounced here 195, starting to hold support at 197. So initially for me today, I want to be more long bias on Tesla to start as we put in a strong little bounce day. So I think it's time for me to start being more long bias it than to be short bias. And again, I would still like it even if the price went down to 180. Again, I just don't know if we're going to get there in this move right now. So you might have a short intermediate bounce before trailing a bit lower. So again, more or less for me, keeping eyes on Tesla long as we're starting to build support down here a little bit, or starting to see some lashback. Right? I mean, yesterday was just an absolute panic short out of the gates, followed by a beautiful long. So today, going to be watching for, just again some support building and more long bias sentiment. Last one, and then I'll hop offline because it's all choppy, is Kohl's. So Kohl's put in, had an earnings report, dropped out from about 63 down to 55. It actually did a little bit more than its implied move for earnings. So anyways, going to be watching Kohl's closely today to see if it does in fact continue to drop out below 55. I'd find it pretty... I would find it pretty amazing if it did continue to drop below the $55 price. I mean, we already dropped below 57 and 58, which was the support here. So if we go into the chart, all right, this 58 level was the support that it did have. It successfully broke below all of that. So now it's just kind of, I think we might see Kohl's trade in the range of its pre-market low to pre-market high here. At 57, I guess you would call it, yeah, about 57, 58 area. I don't think we're going to see an extremely active trading day from Kohl's, but again, that could be wrong. So just going to keep this on watch to see if it does in fact break below the pre-market low, or if by some means we get a cool squeeze that goes up over 58, okay? I'm getting old fast. I hope, yeah, I mean, I guess you could say so. Yeah, I am getting older. DFRG, yeah, there was news about an option call sweep at $5 yesterday. Price explodes from like 4 something all the way to 6 something. You could watch it. I was thinking about keeping an eye on it today. No, guys. It's not the mic. It's just random internet problems. It'll be okay. But anyways, I mean, those are really the couple stocks. I'm going to hop off here a little bit early considering that the mic is all finagled and all weird this morning. Don't know exactly why, but is what it is. Uber, I mean, I wouldn't be buying Uber right now. Yes, Jack, you're correct. Yes, you do. It's the first link in the description can take you to our website. Or actually second link now, but yes. Michigan real estate. I will one day get into that. But anyways, so I'm gonna be hopping off here because I'm gonna hop off here because the mic's a little choppy. But anyways, I'll make sure it's good to go for tomorrow morning when we hop on tomorrow. So everybody take care. Have a good day, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning for a better stream than we had today. Take care.